Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Italy, for everyone that does not know me. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing hairstyles using Scalp. Scarves have been really trendy lately. I've been seeing them all over Instagram and TikTok, and I just wanted to showcase a few hairstyles that you could do with them. So let's get started. First things first, my hair is a little dirty right now. I think it's been maybe like 4 days since I've washed my hair. So I'm definitely gonna wash it either tonight or tomorrow night. But I do want to take a moment to just be proud of myself, because exactly like 9 months ago, my 4th day hair right now would have been full of dandruff and it would have been super itchy, which is crazy that I used to live that way. But I've really been working on my scalp. As you guys saw in my last video, I used this scalp scrub and it's really just helped clear up all my dandruff. And like right now my scalp is starting to get a little bit itchy, which I'm still trying to completely get rid of this itchy dandruffy feeling, but the improvement that I've made in just the past few months has been amazing, and I'm so happy about that. It's also like balanced my oil level, so right now my hair is a little oily, but it's not crazy. So like right now I'm about to put on some dry shampoo, but if this were me 6 months ago, I would have gone through this whole bottle by now, you know? Like now I only have to use dry shampoo like on 4th day hair, and then if I want to continue not washing my hair for the rest of the week or whatever, I'll continue to use it. But before, I used to have to use dry shampoo on just the 2nd day, which is crazy. But now like my clean hair lasts me for so much longer. By the way, this is my favorite dry shampoo, and yes, I've tried the Living Proof one, which is also really great, but this is a new one that Redken came out with, and it is amazing. First off, it smells really good, and I find that it lasts a really long time. Like with the Living Proof one, I have to reapply it throughout the day. This one will literally last me all day, and it really does make my hair feel super clean. So if you're looking to try out a new dry shampoo, I really suggest you give this one a try. I'm gonna link it in the description box. But yeah, if you didn't know, with dry shampoo, you really have to let that settle in for at least 30 seconds to a minute. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. But let's talk about the scarf that I'm gonna be using. I only have one scarf. I really want to add more to my collection, but right now this is the one that I have. Has these beautiful rich colors. I got it at a vintage store, so they're not up for sale, but I am going to be looking out for some dupes or like some satin ones that I can buy, maybe through Amazon or something. I don't know. Let me know if you guys would like to see like a haul. Maybe I could get a few. And yeah, because I've really been into the scarf trend. So yeah, this is one that I'm going to be using. But yeah, okay. So let's shake off the dry shampoo. It always bothers me when I see in the comments of product reviews of dry shampoo where people are like, leaves a white cast, this leaves a white cast. I'm like, all dry shampoos are gonna leave a little bit of a white cast. You have to shake it off. You have to shake it off. Like, it doesn't take that much work to do it. Just do it. And so as you can see, the oil is pretty much gone, which is amazing. Okay, so the first hairstyle that I'm going to show you guys is a little bit, it's a little edgy. I call this my pirate look. Yarr. I've showed you guys this on TikTok before, and a lot of people seem to really like it. It got a lot of views and stuff. So I'm just gonna show you here how I do it. Okay, so basically I take my scarf and I fold it in a triangle. So I kind of fold down on these opposing corners, and then I take the middle part and I flip that over my head. Just like that, and then have the rest of the triangle fall in the back, and then I'm just gonna tie it. I used to tie it once, but I didn't like all the creases I left on my scarf, so I like to be very gentle with it and just only tie it once, and it stays, honestly. So this is it. This is the first look. What do you guys think? I think this is super cute. I know it's not for everyone, but I really like it.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving.
Okay, so for my next look, I'm going to turn the scarf into a headband. So let me show you how I do that. So this is the scarf laid out. This is the back part. The front part is over here. And I'm just going to take the corner and bring it to the center. Then I'm going to take the opposing corner and bring that to the center. And then I'm just going to keep bringing that to the center. Same with this part. And then this is going to be the last one. It's a little hard to do this with just one hand. And then you completely just fold it on top of each other. And then I think this is a good thickness for a headband. I'm gonna just tie my hair up to make this process easier. I'm just gonna do a bun really quickly. Okay, so taking my scarf headband, I'm just gonna put it on top of my head and just tie it back here. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a double knot. And if you wanna wear it with a messy bun, that's totally cool. I've seen some people do that, but lately I've just not been into the messy bun. So I'm just gonna put my hair down. And the way I would like to wear it is to do a low ponytail. And then to get the scarf, the two ends of the scarf, and just do one knot around my ponytail. That way it hides the elastic. And then this is how it looks. But if you wanted to, you could pull some baby hairs out. That's also really cute. I don't know, I really love this look. This reminds me of like this makes me want to just ride my bike through the countryside with like, I don't know, one of those baskets with like fruits in them or flowers or something. I don't know. Okay, but yeah, I think this is super cute. Very easy to do. For the next one, I'm going to go ahead and leave out some baby hairs on purpose. Okay, I'm just gonna leave really small pieces of baby hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do that low ponytail again. But with this one, I want this middle part to show just a little bit. With the other one, there was no part because the scarf was covering where the part would be. But yeah. And then I still have my scarf folded to that headband length. So what I'm gonna do is tie it around my ponytail. Just like that. And this on its own is already a look. This is really cute, in my opinion. But I'm just gonna take it a step further. Well, first let me pose. But I'm gonna take it a step further and I'm going to braid it down. So I'm gonna take 3 strands and 2 of them are gonna have part of the scarf included in the strands. And then I'm just gonna braid like I normally would. And the scarf is really just going to peek out in the braid. Next, I'm just gonna take a hair elastic and tie it. I'm securing the whole thing. And then if you want to hide the hair elastic, you just take your scarf and you tie it. And there you have it. This is super cute, also very feminine, and really easy to do, honestly.
We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no, yeah.
Okay, so for this next one, I'm going to be using a middle part again. Okay, so for this next one, I'm going to be doing Dutch braids leading up to a high ponytail. And the way I'm gonna do these Dutch braids is not the traditional way. I'm only going to be picking up hair from the top. So normally you would pick up hair and then pick up hair as you go along. I'm only gonna be picking up hair from the top. That's it. I think I only picked up hair once or twice. I'm just gonna tie that so it doesn't unravel, and I'm just gonna do that to the other side.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You.
Okay, so next I'm just gonna throw up this whole thing in a high ponytail. Alright, so just like that. Nothing too crazy or elaborate. And then I'm just gonna take my scarf and tie it around my high ponytail. And that is it. Okay, so that's gonna conclude today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that this inspired you to either reach for your scarves and use them, or maybe to go out and buy one. But you can get really creative with these things. Like, you can literally do just whatever you want. But yeah, I'm so excited that these scarves are like back in and that they're in style, because I just think they're so fun. But yeah, they are so cute and I love it, and I'm definitely gonna get more and add more to my collection. Why has my bra been showing this whole time? What the heck? Comment down below what you would like to see next, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.